Okay, today we're kind of reviewing the, is it CIPA? The CIPA mirror. This is the part number for a pair of mirrors for a 99 Suburban. Here's the instructions. So first thing you gotta do is put these rubber tabs on this wedge, and then I assume we just screw this in to the back of the mirror so it slides over your existing mirror, and then you can just turn this around, bend it wherever, adjust it. So let me put that together and we'll go slide them onto the truck and see how it works. So here's the factory folding mirror, and this is the towing mirror. And what I did was screwed in the screw here a little ways so that you can get it into one of these holes, and then we gotta try to slide it over. Just tighten that up. It's on here pretty secure, but I tell you, it's touching right here, which is the part that moves on the mirror, so we'll see if that's still adjustable. It's also like 25 degrees here, so it just barely has an edge to catch. So I'm surprised that knob didn't just crack off, but they're on. Now we'll just see how good they are for towing a 28-foot trailer. So I just got done with a test drive pulling the trailer, and I can tell you that this piece right here, this edge, it interferes with the mirror moving right here, which might not be an issue unless somebody's in your blind spot next to the trailer, because you still use this mirror. But this mirror sees farther back. It's kind of magnified a little bit, it seems like. For the price, I mean, I guess you can't really complain, but I think if you really wanted some good truck mirrors, I would just take the whole factory mirror completely off and get the truck mirrors that were available for these. Would probably be a lot better, because then you got power. Like again, this edge right here, you could try pulling it down, but it just comes right back up, and it's right up against here, so you can't adjust this mirror. So I was a little worried about breaking the motors that are in there because of that thing's on there. So, but I can see down the trailer out of just this small mirror, that, you know, the extended mirrors.
Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Those mirrors come in great handy, you know, if you're not doing a lot of towing and you need to be able to see down your trailer. Otherwise, if you're doing a lot of towing, I would probably pull the factory mirrors and get the ones that were factory tow mirrors. That way you'd have power. They're a lot bigger, so you get a little more view. Check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.